Hi, I'm Pat Galinsky from Resurface Specialist. Do you have a bathtub, fiberglass shower, tiled shower, or countertop that the color is a little outdated or just isn't working for you anymore? We have a solution.
I started in the refinishing industry over 30 years ago with tubs, showers, tile, and then we moved on to countertops. We have over 27 colors to refinish your countertops. Let us get this done and updated for you today.
Do you have kitchen or bath cabinet doors that are either the wrong color or style? Let's update them.
We literally have hundreds of styles of doors you can choose from to update your kitchen or bathroom.
Please call us today for your free in-home estimate, 772-678-9758, and visit us on the web at resurfacespecialist.com. Thanks for watching.